to Iced Chai Latte. Perfect refreshment for a hot summer's day. Hey, Jake. Hello. Did you try this yet? Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. You wait until the end or made another one of these for you. This is amazing. So if you want to find out how to make this, stay tuned. And let's just jump straight into it. All right, so here we go. So the first thing you need to do... Now, this is optional. I like to use a blender to mix the chai powder and the milk. Like I said, this is optional. You can just do this in a jug with a hand whisk. It will mix it. I just find it works better with a blender. We need to get our milk. I prefer dairy, but you can use any alternative that you like. So, we're gonna go 200 mils of milk. Then we're gonna go in with 1 scoop. 1 nice level scoop, not too much. Chai latte powder. Now, I like the Drinkly Chai brand just because they're cheap and easily accessible on Amazon. And it's really, really tasty. So once you have your milk, don't do that. Don't drop your scoop and try to mix it with your milk. Put that in the sink and pretend that never happened, guys. So, once you've got this, hand this to your lovely assistant, or if you don't have one, you can do it yourself. But I'm going to use the assistant, Jim. He's doing this for 20 seconds speed. Whoops. So while that's blending up, let's put some ice in your cup. I like to fill the cup with as much ice as I can, because I'm just like that. While that's still working, let me tell you why this is such a good drink on a summer's day. It's ice, it's cold, it's creamy, sweet, delicious. What more could you want? Thank you very much, Jake. So now we have our blended chai powder and the milk. We go into the glass, straight over the ice. I like to stop before we get to the top so we can add our whipped cream. Now, this also is optional. You can use as much or as little or none if you like. But I like to. So we just go round and create a nice little pyramid. So, dome, mountain, hill, whatever you want to call it. We need one more ingredient, but first, please remember to be keen. Put your stuff away. Cinnamon powder. Secret ingredient. Little sprinkle over the top. Make it look pretty. Then you want to grab your straw. So this is your finished product. Oh, look at that. Lovely chai latte, followed by a healthy dashing of cream, and cinnamon powder on the top. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more summery vibes.